We are at unit 5th, that is your resource management, and your new topic is consumer education and protection part 2nd. So Consumer Protection Act, the government of India has accepted, established and intrinsic consumer right under the Consumer Protection Act CPA 1986. There are four basic rights. First is right to safety, right to be informed, right to choose and right to be heard. That is two additional right, and right to redressal and right to education. So another mechanism of consumer protection is through standardization marks. Consumers purchase product with standardization mark to ensure the quality, purity of the product. It is important for the consumer to know about different standard marks and the product covered under them. Standardization is the prime requisite of attaining quality. Let us learn more about these standard marks. First is ISI mark. This is a certification mark of Bureau of Indian Standard, earlier called the Indian Standard Institution. Under this scheme, licenses are issued to manufacturers whose goods meet the relevant standards. Indian standard cover food items such as vegetables, fruit and meat products, spices and condiments, processed food, cereal and soya product, candies and beverages, etc. Second is egg mark and food product order. That is, these standards have been promulgated by the Government of India. These certificates specifically pertain to food products. A consumer should look for egg marks sealed before purchasing any agricultural product as it ensures product reliability. APO lays down statutory minimum standards in respect of quality of various fruit and vegetable products and processing facilities. APO also lays limit on metallic contaminants and preservatives for different food products. So next is wool mark. Wool mark is the standard mark of quality of the International Wool Secretariat for wool or woolen garment. It indicates that the wool is pure and the marked garment is not made of other fiber but only pure wool. So next is the silk mark is the quality assurance label for the assurance of pure silk, and in addition serve as a brand for generic promotion of pure silk. Silk mark ensure 100% natural silk. So next is hallmark. It indicates that precious metals such as platinum, silver and gold articles have been evaluated and tested at an official assigned and hallmarking center, and they have certified that metal used conform to the national and international standard of fineness, purity. So next is non-governmental organization. Voluntary consumer organization play an important role in consumer education and protection due to their non-partisan interest. They also disseminate information through their magazines, booklets, newsletters, buying guides, audio-visual material, and research report. So every human being has not only rights but also responsibilities. You may have heard some people speak of right and responsibilities clearly, indicating that both go hand in hand. Thus, in order to be able to exercise one's right, it is necessary to be aware of one's duty. As consumer, therefore, we need to aware of our responsibilities. Consumer responsibilities are: consumers should have responsibility towards regularly updating their knowledge of various laws and legislative provisions made by the government. Second is consumers should be honest in all their dealings and must pay for all their purchases. Third is, before making a purchase, consumers should do a mark survey to find out the different brands, feature, etc. of item available in different shops and different markets, and should compare the prices. This will help them make a wise choice. Consumers should feel free to choose from the variety available as per their needs and requirements. While making a purchase, he would should read all the information given on the label brochure. To be assured of quality, he should buy products with standardization marks. Consumers should keep receipt and other relevant documents of purchase. These may be needed as proof of purchase for filing complaints in case of problems, defective, malfunctioning products. In case of purchase of services like insurance, credit card, bank deposit, etc., she should read the understand all terms and condition, liabilities, services, charges, etc., and make an effort to get the representative to clarify points that are not clearly written. So next, one has the option of doing a degree course in BSc Home Science, BA Home Science, BSc Family Resource Management, BSc Home Management, BSc Resource Management, Bachelor of Business Administration, Bachelor of Business Studies, etc. In different institutions, the subject may be called consumer studies, consumer education, consumer behavior, consumer in the market. So, there are different type of scope. Having taken training in the area of consumer education and protection, you could develop your career in the following areas: work in government organization like Bureau of Indian Standards, Directorate of Marketing and Inspection, Ministry of Consumer Affairs in various decision making, managerial and technical position. Work in voluntary consumer organization for product testing, creating consumer awareness, consumer education, empowerment, publication of their magazine, etc. Next, work in the consumer division of corporate houses which deal with the consumer complaints and consumer suggestion, or in customer relationship management and customer facilitation division looking into creating customer data bases and dealing with them on a one-to-one personal basis. Work with market research organization in areas of consumer behavior, product reach, product acceptance of new products, consumers feedback and suggestions. Start your own consumer organization dealing with the issues discussed in the chapter. So work in National Consumer Helpline for doing consumer counseling, helping people in getting redressal to their complaint. Work as a consultant to consumer clubs being run by school and colleges, such as managing and planning their educative and outreach activities, taking up teaching assignments in school and colleges in the area of consumer studies. You can also function as a freelance consultant of redressal guidance through consumer courts and other alternative redressal mechanism. So that's all for the today. Thank you so much.